Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is take a look at brand new DF-XCITE 2 plugin. So here we have two options how we can use XCITE 2 plugin. We can use as multi-band compressor or we can use as single band. So let's start with multi-band compressor. Here we have our bands and here we have our sections, and we have low section, low mid, and high. We can switch off any section we want to, or we can switch on any section we want to. We have drive knobs under each section, so we can add some saturation to our sound, and we have mix knob under each section, so we can blend our multi-band compression to our sound according to our taste. And here down below we can choose from different modes, so we can use American, vintage, extreme, tape, tube, and amp. And here we have a link button. So once it's engaged, like right now, we can choose, for instance, vintage mode, and we're gonna be having a vintage mode for all of our sections, for all of our bands. And if our link button is bypassed, so right now we can choose different mode for each section. Here we have some presets we can choose from if you want to. And here we also have some presets, but in this case they are more like basses. So for instance, you can choose metal kick if you have a metal kick sub or bass in your mixing template, or you can choose, for instance, metal snare if you want to apply DF-XCITE 2 for your metal snare, or you can choose master bass if you want to apply the DF-XCITE 2 on your master bass. And also you can apply on your groups of guitars or on your basses of guitars, on your basses or groups of drums and vocals and synths. So now let's go through some audio examples to see and to hear how the DF-XCITE 2 works in practice. And let's start with our kick drum. So first of all, let's have a listen to our kick only. Now let's activate DF-XCITE 2 and let's choose rock kick preset here, and let's start applying our DF-XCITE 2 to our kick sound. So here we can, for instance, boost some low end, or we can cut some low end. Then we can add some saturation to our low end of our kick sound. And we can use mix knob here to blend DF-XCITE 2 to our original kick sound. Now let's go to our low mid section. So here we can boost some low mids. Or we can cut low mids. Again, we can add some saturation to our low mids. And also we can use mix knob here to blend our DF-XCITE 2 to our original kick sound. Now let's go to our high mid section and let's boost some high mids on our kick. Or we can cut high mids. Again, we can add some saturation to our high mids. And we can blend our DF-XCITE 2 to our original kick sound. Now let's go to our high section, and here we can boost our highs, or we can cut our highs. Again, we can add some saturation to our highs. And also we can play with mix knob here. Now let's go through different modes here. Let's choose vintage mode. Now let's choose extreme mode. Now let's go to tape mode. Now let's go to tube mode. And finally, let's choose our amp mode. And now let's try single bend on our kick, and let's add some saturation to our kick sound. Now let's try DF-XCITE 2 on our snare. And first of all, let's have a listen to our snare sound without DF-XCITE 2. Now let's go through our bends of our DF-XCITE 2. Now let's go to our low mid bend. Now let's go to our high mid bend. And now let's go to our high bend. Again, let's start with our low section here, and again we can boost some lows. We can add some saturation to our low section. Now let's go to our low mid section. Again, we can boost some low mids. We can add some saturation to our low mids. Now let's go to our high mid section. Let's add some saturation to our high mid section. And now let's go to our high section. And here we don't have much highs in our bass sound. And finally, let's have a listen to our DF-XCITE 2 on our vocals. But first of all, let's have a listen to our vocals without DF-XCITE 2.
Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb.
Again, let's start with our low section.
Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with the sun. Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb.
Now let's go to our low mid section.
Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with the sun. Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb.
Now let's go to our high mid section.
Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with. Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb.
And finally, let's go to our high section.
Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat. Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb.
And finally, let's have a listen to our vocals with vocal saturation preset on.
Pose like a soldier, can't sleep, thoughts are bleeding, lost. My heartbeat left my love with the sun, left me feeling so numb. I can't move, can't change a thing. I bend, I break, just know you played a part.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to try or buy DF-XCITE 2, the link will be in the info box of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next time.